An aerial view of the Oaks at Greenview apartment complex in Houston, Texas. Text: equal housing opportunity. The lobby of the Oaks at Greenview features gray tiled floors, French-style doors, and vaulted ceilings. The gym features treadmills, ellipticals, stationary bikes, and weight training equipment. Lounge chairs and pergolas surround an in-ground pool and patio area. A hot tub area is adjacent to the in-ground pool area. The table, chairs, and a grilling station sit beneath one of the pergolas in the patio area. A playground features slides and climbing structures. The Clothes Care Center features rows of washing and drying machines for laundry. A living room features in-ceiling lights, wood-inspired floors, and sliding glass doors that let out to a balcony area. A kitchen features storage cabinets, wood-inspired floors, a microwave, a refrigerator, a stove, and stone-inspired countertops. A walk-in closet features carpeted flooring and garment rods. A bathroom features a sink set into a stone-inspired countertop, a large vanity mirror, and a combination shower and bathtub. Another apartment example features carpeted flooring throughout its rooms. A large living room area segues off of the kitchen area in an apartment. Text: Oaks at Greenview.